Alright, I'm akwa baby mu yeni nkomo akasima be dumienu na ye peja ye mu every jumadi so na honorable titles who as a former member of parliament who call 2 terms na unim said the parliament and MNCT it seems that say relationship between speaker and the deputies ne the majority side no akwa ko bibia ho na emma nyoma was a course for parliament no kra no say no perception outside is a parliament leadership no as a omo entamonyo papa enya de bebo parliament ejumedie minim se de wu hu no
Adjei mi da se ye jumai is more of engagement. 8 years I'm a call here no metra appointment committee for 8 years metra Committee Trade Industry and Tourism for 8 years. In the 6th Parliament, I'm a deputy ranking member for Trade Industry and Tourism. Now, Minority Leader, Honorable Adjei was the Minister for Trade. Adjei na year no na yede Spilgabra. Abaye. And the above power 2017, 2016, 17, I'm a chairman for the Committee of Trade Industry and Tourism. At the committee level, at the plenary, at conclave between leadership and speaker, is always being of more of accommodation. Kwa be faswa afana nyina no be majuma no akoso. That is what I know. But nan say the abano akoya dibia wan hwa na timemufo no enhweda ene nje parliament djuma ye na se. And I may be wrong.
I say power struggle be a
I may be wrong because of the thin line that one independent difference in a woman. Especially minority for always want to flex. Na yenzu ayo majority who always want to defend. But 2 wrongs does not make right. Bibi eke kakono embo mine. What you say? At every point in time, say speaker niwa. And what there are 2 important documents. One is the Constitution, and 2 is our standing orders. Every ruling BOB, and you look at these 2 documents, what is pertaining, and some precedents are Esia would make yem fatung now would the ruling. Now would the chuma. What did I recognize? Now speaker who are say maybe untia kunyemwa jowa is better no na opeso bu nenim tia. But I don't think that is the case. Because I me erogaje dia de be tumi nim a me hwa de ne say de na me hwa president no me hwa standing orders no na me hwa constitution no then I take a decision on it.
I want for speaker no tell take first decision no consider that.
And it's all behind the way you interpret it.
So how na say nim tia ya asem ya.
And anything na me can no they are all lawyers. Sebi. I drink any back
because maybe honorable you were deputy minister.
Yeah.
Transport ministry. Na o minister I take a decision. O tu kwanyaba. Na tija obeba na waten no first one. No ayedi. Okra o tu kwanyaba obeba na decision bi na no take ye buy onu nyina wo hobby. Na o take side decision no. Wa sorry entia. Then
you are making wrong. The functions of ministers and their deputies are distinct. They are different. Ebria na me ye ejuma and Minister Siama. Minister power ni said to me no. Say wa ye bibi na me go dane no. I don't have the power. The president will sack me that day. Say president who say minister take a decision. Na me am the I don't have that power. So the executive functions are different from that of parliament. Parliament, you know, our ministry, you have first time orders in Yejuma. You have constitution Yejuma. That is different. And it's an example now, mine, Yifrim. But in the chamber,
cannot on the face of it.
Don't use face of it. Let us not just, if I say, we understand now, you look too simplistic. There is no way.
It's more detailed than.
What I said, there is no way a minister will take a decision and his deputy will come over. President will sack you 1 second. Say, oh, we say that who here, say that is different. But in Parliament, you know, yeah, the standing orders, you know, and the Constitution, any some rulings are and I would be a juana way. Now, me say be the word you know, they will kind of year, ebia na motion ebe move no. If it is very controversial, and you always go down, let me step it down. Mama speak embra. Some person any word you juma, then we can go that way. So mama you hold you on. Now Mr. Speaker embra, then we can put in the speaker himself will come. But only a juma say also a trust. Parliamentary business, yeah. He is a lawyer, a seasoned lawyer.
And the speaker is a lawyer.
He is a lawyer.
A seasoned lawyer, of course.
Or the ruling nasiye, or the standing orders nasiye, and a constitution about. And you look at all that, but the ambano, your best speaker Nankasa says we engage the two deputies. Na or you should come be faswa. San semo eko kwasuinya besiano because Parliament eyeji din. The dinner eyeji no emboyeng.
This 8th Parliament, seriously, emboying. But I will plead, Safana Faninano, we should see ourselves and look, this is the kind of democracy you see per se. For the first time, it means that for 22. Yanya hang Parliament say, but it needs a lot of discussion. It needs a lot of engagement. Eric, then seeming friction here, a war leadership more Parliament, you know, you beat me. Are sorting out.
The issue of Parliament, you know, ni na ya de bakope. Ubu respect. Ubu nipa asan.
One respecting one.
The issue na ya ken. A simple word, respect. As you cited example, me mama na ohwe office ahwibodi na beti ase. Na the owo break room ni bonza Western region na mebobon on beti ase, but quickly when you are smart politician and obogu and okache was at the ministry just standing orders no constitution but the minister was appointed based on constitutional provision. You go to the office, you work in line with the laws of the country. On say etodana ye man no krenedi. That is all that we need as a nation. Minia ye to abawi ya ye kwakoyi ura Bagbin as a speaker circumstances surrounding ye be seen e bia kire se money obuo MPP as a party money obuo ma no. That is the problem now in the history of our country. Baby a ye hyemra me ye de to aba no ye to home mu aba yi pani no ye nyamra hye bedwani of ballot paper so okowe so okoye ni den yenim, and that's how now they have the guts, they defend. At the end of the day, this 8th Parliament tension na akoso nyina no. Say we ye pani na ohu kwan ya wo se one nipa din kita ho a. All these challenges Honorable Titus.
Efrem Titus Global.
Yes, Titus. One day me can say me try wasempa. Me say ahokere na ye komu wo Ghana ne no. The way you speak and share bufu. But some of your communicators me mo bi din. Uni obi tena say the way besi akasa hanta ni dwe kra no. E ma obufu keke. But nipa ho kire na ye de kasa ye de e ne kasa nipa ho. The esi wo mrahye bedwe nya say ye nyina do ye de. But mun show leadership. Ora Mpensenpensemu former Lawrence Adjei. No, so was assistant no your friend Lawrence Adjei.
Because I can
say obi nim Lawrence no. Che yesrew. One leadership na mo majority side enough of the ahantan no ye. Afenyo Markins, Jenny ahantan so dodo. Consider the interest of Ghanaians. She asem ya ori speaker or kan nani. He deserves to say so. One, we take earlier decision on the budget, the content okay say you know. O two kwan so okwa supiti aba na wasesa no. E ma ne be kasai, wanye hwe. Second, another motion aba. Mu nyina wako conclave akwodwendwen ho ne de mo be oba na wo de discretion ahe de wo ye. Wasen akote wo ne etoso mienu e wo chamber. Na wo wa ba abonten. Wo so ba ya. Wo say then
have the courage
to accept divergent views. In what capacity? No more than another moment clear distinction of the speaker and any deputies. No, you drew about what you were telling Ghanaians say you have the power to vote. Speaker, no, the speaker of the and you are more powerful than the speaker. Now Ure Kufuado, or sorry, tɔ na ɔkɔ yi ɔnkɔ ba akomra na yɛsɛ ba womia alaji wayɛ reshuffle nipa bɛ 20 wɔ n'aban mu nkɔ bɛ feel listen we should show respect na monam asɔfoɔ so na monam owura mahama so ɛna yɛnyɛ consensus yɛmoa na yɛmu ɔman no na mo asɔfoɔ no nti deɛ ɛkɔ so wɔ parliament a obuo ni hɔ no muhu opinion leaders in the country na mo sorry a NDC for yɛ ɛwɔ opposition yɛ na mo ba yɛ nan so sɛ yɛmoa ma ɔman no ntumpo yɛ na yɛyi ministers. All right. There's nowhere to channel their grievances.
Eric Adjei, one was here, Honorable Titus Glover. Midi Edna Osei, Ampofo. If I say,
communicator back on a special aid Barbara, Deputy General Secretary, the Lali Sawopo, and then birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Barbara, Consul Fidel. University of Ghana.